It's fair to say that the last few weeks have not been too hot for most of us guys. I personally have found myself in this self-perpetuating cycle where I wake up, the day blurs by, and then I go back to sleep and it's like nothing even happened. I spend a lot of time doing schoolwork. There'll be times when I just spend 6+ hours just staring at my screen working on school related assignments. And I've also found myself just staring inside the fridge. Not even to grab any food, just like looking at the food, which is kind of weird. I've also started to download old video games from like games I used to play in like 5th grade. I'm now playing on my phone, so that's probably not a good sign. Yeah, anyway, so guys, I know I don't want to waste your time because your time is precious. It's not like you guys are just sitting around watching Tiger King on Netflix or anything. It's a joke. I know you guys are, but anyway, in all seriousness, the video that I'm about to show you guys today, yeah, this is not the video, I know, it's weird. The video I'm going to show you guys today was filmed back when I was at UVA, and actually this was a video that I filmed before my dorm room tour. I just didn't want to put it out because I wasn't really happy with the way it turned out, but I think it's really funny and there's some really useful tips in that video, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to cut to that video really soon, but also I wanted to announce that I'm now going to be doing Monday uploads. Every single Monday, and I want you guys to hold me to that. So hit the bell notification icon. I'm going to be doing college videos, other just creative stuff like a creator cut. So hit the notification icon and you'll be notified when I upload weekly. I really enjoy connecting with you guys and hearing your feedback, so weekly uploads. All right, that's enough talk. Let's go to the video. You guys might be wondering what I'm showing to you right now, and this is the first item on the list. It's a rice neck pillow. You just throw this bad boy in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes and releases tension in your shoulder muscles and your neck muscles. And I find this really useful for when I'm studying, so I can continue to study without pain. Yeah, this one's a huge one. Check this guy out. If you have bad back pain, it's like $30 on Amazon. So if you are a college student or have siblings that are in college, you know that they're always sick. And that's why I bring up this next one. Emergency or airborne, any type of vitamin C. I myself have been sick almost half the time I've been here. It's very on and off, but definitely keeping good care of your immune system is important in college, especially when you're not sleeping a lot and the food is not necessarily very healthy. So vitamin C of any kind, huge college essential. I really don't think I would be alive without this, to be honest. So you guys might be shocked by this next one. This is just a gallon water jug. You might be thinking, why would you want one of these? Getting water is it's really annoying and frustrating having to go fill up like a Brita or anything like that every single time that you want something to drink. So this is actually super cheap, like $2 at Walmart or whatever, and super helpful. Like I've found this thing is like one of the most helpful things so far. So this next one is for people who work out often, protein. Even people who don't work out often, if you don't want to go get a meal at the dining hall, just having a whey protein or plant-based protein available, super convenient, because if you're studying and you don't have time to go get a meal, pour out some of this into a blender bottle, which is also on the list. A fairly decent meal, you're not hungry anymore. Going along with that is the blender bottle. This is just super helpful for mixing protein shakes. So yeah. If you aren't new to the channel, you've probably seen this guy before. This is my JBL Flip 4. And the reason why I show this is because this is probably one of the best investments I've made so far. It's super cheap for the quality that you're getting. I listen to music a lot in the shower. I listen to music with friends. I listen to music while I'm studying. So I consider, if you're a big music guy, check out one of these. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with this guy. So part of living in a dorm is you live in a pretty small space, and usually with a roommate. Because of that, things can become stinky sometimes. And that's where this comes into play. This is just an air freshener. It helps the room smell less disgusting. Next, this is a Logitech portable mouse, USB adapter right there. I find this really helpful because in college you probably don't have a desktop. You're probably just using your laptop because you're always on the go. If you're in your dorm room and you're tired of using the trackpad, because some computers have really bad trackpads like mine, you can use one of these guys. They're super small, easy to store away, so definitely check this out. These are Sony noise canceling headphones, They are a little pricey, but I found these to be absolutely incredible. I wear them all the time. Super helpful for really zoning in. I didn't realize that these would actually be as helpful as they are, and they sound excellent. I know you guys are thinking with this next one, kind of arbitrary, but guys, chapstick is so easy to forget, and when you forget it, you definitely know you forgot it, because chapped lips hurt, especially in the winter, and not having chapped lips is nice, so. You've probably seen something like this. This is a shower caddy. Big mistake that a lot of people make. They get shower caddies that are made out of like fabric as opposed to rubber and like plastic like this. That's because those can get moldy. I absolutely get one of these. Huge college essential. Last on the list, you guys might be a little shocked to hear this, but honestly, Q-tips, super helpful, especially during allergy season. They're good for just like hygiene in general. It's like one of those items that you remember you need when you need them, but then when you actually go shopping, you forget them. I would invest in some of these. And that looks like it's it, guys. I hope that helped a lot. Okay, I'm gonna cut myself off there. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I really do use all those tips I did use those tips in my former, too soon. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Swipe up. Wait, am I allowed to say that twice? Oh, I cut it out. Okay, swipe up.